Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm back today with another entry into my 400 SUBBIE challenge giveaway. This entry is number 19. And whoo, it smells good when I cut the package open. Love it. And this is from, let's see if we can find out who it is from. With all their crafty love. Look at this shred, so fun. And everything is wrapped so nicely. Okay, let's check it out. Let's go with the green one first, my favorite color. Oh, and it was the right one. It's her Memorydex. Okay, let's see. How cute. Look at her packaging, her topper. She's added this cute little paper clip. So cute. Oh, and I can reuse the topper. Thank you so much. Let's see. Oh, how pretty. Look at her Memorydex card. She used diamond dust too along the edges. I love these tickets. It's good time and 10 lines. Yup. Be cool. Look at this pretty rosette she's made. And her little pocket with her information. And let's just see what it says. She is Gina Lovato. She lives in Texas. Sorry. The dog. But I am going to leave the link to her YouTube channel in my description box below. Thank you so much, Gina, for joining my challenge and for being a subscriber and for the love and support you show my channel. And then, let's see what else. This was in the pink one. Oh my gosh, how beautiful. Is this an envelope? Look at how pretty this envelope is. It's a shaker acetate envelope. And she's got shaker bits, stickers everywhere. Oh, I love this. This is awesome. Oh, there's tickets for me. Oh, thank you so much. Look at all these different ticket stubs. How fun. This is some fun ephemera. But I really love this envelope. This is so pretty, and she sewed, do you see all the zigzag trim? She sewed all around. It's one thing I cannot do, and I love getting gifts like this. Thank you so much. Okay, let's see what surprises she has in the blue one. Sorry for all the paper. Look at how pretty these bows are. She's gifted me some bows in all different sizes and types in this gold paper. Oh, thank you so much. I so appreciate you and your entry. She is a new SUBBIE, so I don't know much about her, but now I have someone new to check out and follow and get to know. So I appreciate you, Gina, for joining my challenge. And I hope you guys are all having a crafty week. And until the next video, shakas.